Hey girls, so we're back with another wash and go series video, and for this video we will be using the Eco Styler Super Protein. So this is what it looks like. It is a max 10 hold, and as you can see it is a brown color, and the typical Eco Styler consistency is kind of jelly like, and I like these thicker consistencies, unlike the Eco Gold or the Eco Black where they're kind of watery, and I feel like I don't know how much I'm using. I like the thicker jelly type consistencies where I feel like it's really coating my hair and gonna give me the definition that I desire. I typically do a version of the shingling method, but I combine it with the praying hands method and the raking method depending on which section I'm working on. So the section where my hair is a little bit looser, I don't always do shingling because I don't need that definition. But I like to thoroughly detangle my hair, apply the gel, and I like to really coat my hair with the gel. And then once my hair is coated, if I'm going to do the shingling method, that's when I start. And as you see, I just take small sections and separate them from the larger clump section. So the thicker and longer your hair is, the longer it takes to do this method. So that's why it's kind of like hard to do it every time, because it depends on how much time you have dedicated to do your hair that day. So yeah, that's how you would do the shingling method. And as you can see, each smaller section is now clumped into its own little section instead of being one large section, which gives you a little more definition. So if you have hair similar to mine where like the definition isn't always there, the shingling method is a really good way to get that definition. I love that because the gel is brown, that when you mix it with any substance, whether it be white or not, like it doesn't leave that white cast on your hair. It kind of makes it blend in more because the gel is brown. So when my hair is air drying, I don't feel like that, ooh, I don't want to go outside with my hair full of like white crap because it's brown. That's really beneficial to me, at least. Hey girl, so this is my hair about 80% dried. I am obsessed with how it turned out. I really like this EcoStyler Super Protein. When it says it's a max 10 hold, it is not lying. My hair is thoroughly being held. There's so much definition, so much shine, and it just looks so perfect. Like, I just love everything about it. Even when I was doing it, I love the fact that it was brown, so it doesn't look like this white residue on my hair. And then as it dried, I felt like my hair maintained the definition. It even kept a little bit of length, even though I did the shingling method, and it just looked so good. The front isn't frizzy. I tend to have like frizzy pieces in the front for some reason, but even this part of my hair is defined. There's shine, there's a crunch that I'm not gonna break and there's volume. It's just everything that I want in a wash and go. The EcoStyler Super Protein gave me, and I combined it with a conditioner. Of all things, I am so anti-conditioner usually, but this particular conditioner by Renpure is everything. And then it just combined so well with this gel when I mixed it together on my hands that I just had to use them together. And this is a go-to wash and go that I will use probably for the rest of my life, because these two products together, it's just everything. So I don't know how many more EcoStyler gels I'm going to use, because at this point I found what I need. So I don't feel the need to keep searching and using more when I found what works for my hair in this line. So I think it may be time to move on to the next gel. I am low porosity, high density, fine strand, type 4 hair. And I can say with like all honesty that this is one of my best wash and goes ever. So I'm really happy, I'm really excited. If you have similar hair to mine, please try this out. Try it with the Renpure. and see how you like it, or if you already have a favorite leave-in that you like to use for your wash and goes, try it out with that. I would recommend always doing a mix test where you combine the two products before you ever place it in your hair, just to be sure that they will work well together, because sometimes it can just leave your hair so flaky and just ruin a perfect wash and go that you spent hours of your day doing just because you didn't thoroughly test your products and make sure that they would go well together. So I do recommend always doing a test beforehand. But yeah, if you are struggling with your wash and goes, you have similar hair to me, please try these two products. I'm telling you, like, it's perfect. Like, if you like definition, if you like a bit of a crunch, if you are like anti-frizz like me, this is what you've been waiting for. So yeah, we're gonna continue this wash and go series. We're gonna move on to the next set of gels now. We have officially found the best eco for my hair. It's thick. It coats my hair, it gives me definition, it still allows me to have volume, it gives me that max tint hold that I'm always talking about, and it is a freaking 10 out of 10. So, done. But I hope you liked this video. I hope you found it helpful. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to me. I'd love to have you. And look me up on Instagram at expo_Rocky, and you can chat with me there too. But until next time, see ya.
Lead them from temptation, make them royalty. All the things we face and make us question it. Lead us to salvation, pour that oil, please. That's how we become kings and queens.